How does an irrevocable trust protect assets from creditors? Have you ever wondered how some people manage to keep their assets safe from creditors? Today, we will discuss how an irrevocable trust can be a powerful tool for protecting your assets. When you create an irrevocable trust, you transfer ownership of your assets to the trust. This means you no longer own them personally. Instead, the trust becomes the legal owner. Because creditors can only pursue assets that belong to the debtor, the assets in the trust are shielded from claims and lawsuits against you. One key aspect of this protection is the legal separation of ownership. When you place assets like real estate into an irrevocable trust, you give up your ownership rights. This means that creditors cannot seize these assets to satisfy your debts. Additionally, once the trust is established, you typically cannot alter or revoke it. This lack of control means that creditors cannot access these assets since you no longer have the power to use or sell them. Another important benefit is protection from personal lawsuits. Since the assets are owned by the trust and not by you, they are generally safe from lawsuits related to your personal liabilities. This includes situations like accidents or business debts. Furthermore, if you ever face bankruptcy, the assets held in an irrevocable trust are usually excluded from your bankruptcy estate. This means creditors cannot claim these assets during bankruptcy proceedings. For seniors, there are specialized irrevocable trusts, such as Medicaid asset protection trusts. These trusts help safeguard property and other assets from being spent down to qualify for government assistance with long-term care. To be effective, these trusts should be set up well before Medicaid's look-back period, which is often 5 years. In the realm of real estate investing, placing investment properties or personal residences into an irrevocable trust can provide significant protection against creditors and legal claims. This strategy can also offer property tax benefits, especially for seniors seeking property tax relief. By separating ownership, you may qualify for exemptions or deferrals tied to trust ownership. However, it is essential to approach this carefully. Courts may scrutinize irrevocable trusts if they suspect they were created solely to avoid creditors when debts are anticipated. Seeking proper legal advice and structuring the trust correctly is vital to ensure it provides legitimate asset protection. In summary, an irrevocable trust protects assets from creditors by legally removing ownership and control from you. This shields the assets from personal liabilities, lawsuits, and bankruptcy claims while also offering potential benefits in real estate, tax planning, and senior property tax relief.